Good evening, fellow pyros. I know I said I was done with my last video last night, but I found a place up in Somersworth, New Hampshire called Hilltop Fireworks. So if you're ever in the area of Somersworth, I suggest go seeing them because all I spent was $42.75. And I got some pretty cool stuff. Never seen any of these cakes, but there's the receipt right there. I did get some goofy shit. I had to get a couple of these. Y'all know these little tanks. These were 75 cents a piece. I said the hell with it. Got this fountain. Never seen this before, but not too bad. I got this thing. I got this one. Another cool looking fountain. We'll see what it does. I had to get one of these because I've never seen these before, but yes, we got poop. It's cheesy, but it's a firework. And I got this cool fountain here. Can't wait to see what this one does. And then last but not least, got me some shake and bake. Slingshot engaged. Yes, I am cheesy like that. Anyway, have a happy 4th tomorrow. Can't wait to see some videos. I'll be making some too.